carefree after filing their income tax return, that now there is nothing to worry about. But it is not so. Notices can arrive even after filing returns. The taxpayer can receive many types of notices. If there is a difference between tax and income, then a notice can come. If you claim a huge refund in the return, then notice can be served. Let's get to know how many types of income tax notices exist and why do they come. There are many types of income tax notices. It depends on whether the notice is being sent to an individual, business or company. Well, there are about 15 to 20 types of notices. Some of these notices are those which are sent to a person. Let's find out about some of the selective notices that usually reach a person. Section 142. If a person has not filed ITR, then the income tax officer may ask to file the return by giving a notice under Section 142. Notice under this section can be sent even for seeking minor information or clarification. Section 143 of 2. This is a notice of scrutiny. It means that the income tax department wants some more in-depth information from you. Under this, many information like book of accounts, bank statement can be asked. On the basis of these, the assessment will be done. This notice comes only after filing the return. In most cases, scrutiny notices are common. Section 144. This is also known as Best Judgment Assessment. If you have not filed ITR or did not respond to the notice issued under 142 or 143 of 2, then the income tax officer will file an inquiry and send a notice under Section 144. In such a case, the officer can assess the income on the basis of existing information, impose tax interest and penalty thereon. Section 147, 148, 149. If the officer finds out that the earlier assessment of your income does not include some income or you have any income which was not disclosed earlier, then these notices can come. Section 143 of 1. Under this notice, when you have made any mistake in ITR or have given wrong information in such a situation, the income tax officer issues a notice and asks for your side of the explanation. If not satisfied by the reply, your income can be increased or deduction can be reduced. Apart from these, notices are also sent under Section 139 of 9 for defective return. Section 153A for search and seizure, Section 156 for tax, interest or penalty in arrears, and Section 131A on suspicion of hiding income can be given. Tax expert FCA Ankit Gupta explains that notices can come to taxpayers due to many reasons. Sometimes notices come even after making some arithmetic mistake like adding or subtraction mistakes. Gupta explains that in fact, one should be and at the same time should not be afraid of income tax notices. This is because most of the notices just ask for clarification. Income tax department needs some general information from the taxpayer. If notices under Section 148 or 144 comes, then it is a matter of little concern. Reply to all notices of income tax department is a must. Not doing so can create more trouble. Many people reply to notices themselves. Whenever you reply to notices, then do mention the sections on which notices have been sent. In such cases, it would be better to consult a tax expert. Many people do not register their mobile number and email ID on the income tax portal. In such a situation, they do not get notified. It is necessary that you register your email and number on the portal.